Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render token. In my earlier video of Render token, I was showing you that it was testing the support of a very big rising wedge pattern on a weekly time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then after testing the support, it is geared up. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my last successful trade signal for Render token that I shared in the month of January, on 14th of January 2023 with my members, and that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped down and completed the leg here. Then we had a very powerful reversal, and this was by the way more than 270% pump or rally on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal, the expected bullish reversal bad move that it was completing on the 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down and completed the leg here, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a nice price reversal, and this was by the way more than 40% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've already shared. Now let's take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, and this is the rising wedge pattern that Render token has formed after breaking out a very big down channel. By the way, you can see that we found the resistance of the channel in the month of November, and we broke it out here in the month of October 2022, but got rejected by this very long-term resistance of $1.17, and again moved down, formed a double bottom here, and the price line had another powerful rally and broke out this resistance of $1.17, very long-term resistance. And now it has found another uptrend line support and resistance, and this is the formation of another rising wedge pattern. And right now you can see that the price line has tested the support of this rising wedge. At the same time, it has also tested the support of this blue line, that is the EMA 10 on the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that slightly below than this support of the rising wedge pattern, we also have this red line that is also a very long-term support of EMA 21. We need, by the way, EMA 21. This is 20. So I'm going to change it to 21, and you can see it is slightly moving below than this support of the rising wedge pattern. That is also a very, very strong and long-term support. Previously, you can see it was working as a very long-term resistance, and now it can provide a very nice support to the price line for the long term. Now, if we take a look at the target for this rising wedge pattern, then first the price line needs to reach the resistance of the rising wedge pattern here. That will be approximately at $3. And once it will be able to break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern, then the target can be quite big from here. By the way, the target for this down channel was here approximately at $8 to $10, between $8 to $10. And if we take a look at the target for this rising wedge pattern, if the price then breaks it out, then the target can be approximately between $12 to $13. That is a quite big target from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.